Hey friends, if you wish to restore a frozen start menu in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, interestingly, if the start menu itself is frozen, then what would you do beyond that? So, here's what you can do. Restart your computer, okay? Press Alt plus F4 and then, sorry, go to desktop, press Alt plus F4 and then select it at restart and then click on OK. You won't need to go to the start menu for this. The next option is to open the task manager. You can right click on the taskbar if it's working and then open the task manager. Now, wait for it. You will find the Windows Explorer process here. Right click on it and select restart. If you don't find it in the apps, it means it's not on the foreground, but it can be amongst the background processes. So you will eventually find the File Explorer or Windows Explorer in the list if you keep scrolling through it. And the last solution is clean boot. Now, why a clean boot? Because it may be that a third party software product is preventing the start menu from working. And in that case, you will not be able to search. So, here's what you can do: press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command msconfig and hit enter. This will open the system configuration menu. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.